Imagine being able to live the retirement of your dreams, traveling the world, pursuing your passions and not having to worry about money. That's what a secure financial future can give you. Are you ready to learn how to build it? Today, I'll be revealing the secrets to reaching this goal, and I promise you, it's not going to be boring or complicated. First step, start early. The earlier you begin, the more time you have to watch your money grow. It doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of money to invest, the important thing is to start, even if it's just putting a few dollars away each month. You'll be amazed at how much it can add up over time. Don't let procrastination and fear hold you back from securing your financial future. Second step, invest smart. Investing is not just about making money, it's about building a better life for yourself and your loved ones. There are many ways to do it, but the most important thing is to choose the right investments for you and diversify your investments. You don't have to be an expert, there are many resources and information readily available to understand how everything works. Take the time to educate yourself on the various investment options and choose the ones that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Third step, save regularly. Saving money is one of the most powerful ways to take control of your financial future. It may seem difficult, but it's not. Creating a budget and putting some money away each month will help you have a solid financial future and achieve the life you deserve. One of the biggest reasons people don't save money is because they think they can't afford to. But the truth is, if you're not saving money now, you can't afford to retire comfortably later. Fourth step, constantly monitor your investments. That way, you'll always know how they're doing and make adjustments if necessary. Keep an eye on the market and the performance of your investments. Don't be afraid to make changes or reallocate your portfolio as needed. Remember, investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of thing. It requires active management to achieve long-term success. And last but not least, be aware of your long-term financial goals and adjust your plan. Whether you want to travel, buy a house, pay for your children's education, or simply have extra income, having a plan and working towards it is crucial. Without a clear plan and goals, you'll have a hard time knowing if you're making progress or not. And don't forget, there are also tax breaks and programs that can help you reach your financial goals. So check with your pension fund or financial advisor. So guys, don't wait. Start building the financial future you want today. The power to change your life for the better is in your hands. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Take action now. It doesn't matter how small it may seem, every step counts. Subscribe to our channel to discover even more on how to make money and invest smartly. And as you're working towards your financial goals, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Set realistic and achievable milestones, reward yourself when you reach them, and keep in mind the end goal. A secure financial future doesn't mean sacrificing everything you enjoy in life. It just means having the freedom to do what you want, when you want. You'll be able to live your retirement with a smile, traveling, pursuing your hobbies, and living without financial worries. You deserve the best life possible, and it's within your reach. Let's work together towards a brighter future.